And this stuff spreads like wildfire. It's incredibly contagious. An infected dog can pass it on with a simple nose-to-nose hello. They can spread it just by coughing or sneezing, sending tiny infected droplets into the air. Or they can leave the germs behind on things like toys, water bowls, or even on our hands when we pet them. It just has so many ways to get from one dog to another. Which, of course, brings us to the high-risk hotspots. I mean, the name kennel cough pretty much gives it away, right? Anywhere you have a bunch of dogs hanging out together in one space is a potential breeding ground.